Scoliosis. Introduction. Normally, the spine forms a straight line side to side down the middle of the back. Select true or false. Correct. Every person's spine curves front to back, but normally the spine forms a straight line side to side down the middle of the back. Jeff's daughter Kim is in her early teens. She has been having back pain. Jeff noticed that Kim does not stand straight and that her shoulders are uneven. Should Jeff contact his daughter's healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Jeff should contact his daughter's healthcare provider. Are most cases of scoliosis caused by disease or injury to the spine? Select yes or no. Correct. In most people with scoliosis, the cause is not known. Do all people with scoliosis require surgery? Select yes or no. Correct. Treatment for scoliosis may include observation, braces, or surgery. Not all people with scoliosis require surgery. Thank you for using Explain.